Disclaimer.
Oh my god, y'all, when did these skins come out? But they ain't Player 2, you late to everything, but you ain't see the trailer? Godly Player 3. Bro, the YEE dinosaur is massive. Like, why he so goddamn big? And he about the biggest skin in the game, godly. I mean, I like the meme, I just don't like the skin, it's big. I might take this off, I ain't gonna lie. Man, then y'all look, I can't buy nothing. Cause my grades bad in school, my room dirty, boy. I'm tripping, boy. Yeah, dang, Player 2. It's alright though. You don't even got nothing to say, huh? No, not really. Alright, y'all, let's play with the new skins. Whoa! You mean y'all play with the new skins, right? Man, Player 2, stop. Just come on, but just act like you got this. Oh no, Lord. Dang, man. Alright, let's do this, I guess. Alright. Dang, okay, girl, coming up in here like you just left for, I don't know, you know, child, no way every time.
Let's do this. I've been warming up. I think I got one in the world. What the world is that?
Player 1, what is happening? I do not know. It is a lot. Lord! What the most my Lord? Alright, girl, you should be low. What in the world? Look at these dirty boots I got on. Whoa! Boy, these boots crazy. Where did you even get those from? Bro, this whole game is stupid. What is happening? Oh no! End game! I ain't gonna lie, Player 3, that's my line. Time for my boots to get to work. What in the tarnation is this? Oh wait, hold on. Y'all, I'm controlling the big old mech. Oh no. Whoa. What? You can control that? My dude, did your robot just fart? No, but what?